Owens Corning gives 450 plus free roofs to veterans.
It felt kind of hopeless for a while. It seems like veterans don't really get the signification they should, and we really don't ask for it a lot of times either.
Since 2016, the shingle manufacturer Owens Corning has funded over 450 roof replacements for military veterans like Tim Tavis, who served 3 years in the U.S. Air Force during Operation Desert Storm.
Pretty awesome. I'm blessed. I'm truly blessed.
The program has allowed military members to put thousands of dollars in savings towards important goals.
Well, there's a lot of things. Bills, mainly bills, that I was worrying how I was going to pay them, and then this came.
It means going forward that I can relax and I can go on to other things for my children, and then the money that we put aside we can work on college funds and getting them accelerated in the future. And that's my biggest thing is family.
Owens Corning donates materials for each of the projects, and labor is provided by their Platinum Preferred roofing contractors. Many of those roofers have a personal connection to veterans, like Matthew Macon, whose father served at the same time as Tim Tavis.
There's a good chance this man helped support my dad. This is a pretty minimal thing to give back to someone who very potentially backed up my father at war.
Other contractors, like Dunbar, work with veterans.
A lot of our employees are veterans as well, so it's very special to us to be able to give back and to help our great veterans after the sacrifices that they've given to our country.
What contractors give back is more than a free roof. It's peace of mind.
Is
it emotional?
Very emotional. It's a great feeling.
If you know a veteran who could benefit from the roof deployment project or want to get involved, email roofdeployment@owenscorning.com. Let us know what you think in the comments, and make sure to like and subscribe.